edUpay. Automated Udemy-like e-learning sites. edUpay software creates fully automated Udemy-like e-learning sites filled with incredible high-value courses you can sell. 100% automated plus fully hosted Udemy-like e-learning site. 100% automated daily content plus Google search traffic. The ultimate automated platform to generate commissions. In the booming e-learning industry, e-learning sites like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare are booming right now. In a quickly changing economic climate, millions of people are looking to reskill and equip themselves with the knowledge they need to succeed. Forecasts put the online education market at a huge $350 billion valuation, and Udemy alone has over 55 million users. And edUpay is a brand new software that will let your buyers get a slice of that huge pie without any of the hard work. Here's how it works. Step 1. Log into the web-based software and choose a name for your site. Step 2. Choose from any of 10 skill niches. All the niches are chosen by us to provide education on in-demand skills for a changing economy. Step 3. Click a button. That's it, you are now done. You now have a full e-learning site filled with great Udemy-like e-courses about your chosen niche. All of the courses are set up by us and listed on Warrior Plus as a product for you by us. And we set you as a 100% commissions affiliate for all the courses, so you get full credit for any sales, but with the course delivery, customer support and payment processing done for you. edUpay demo video. Demo. edUpay. edUpay. One-click newbie-friendly setup. Literally all you need to do is enter your Udemy affiliate ID, choose our niche, and click a button. You are now the proud owner of a totally automated e-learning site filled with great quality courses from edUpay that will create content, get traffic, and make you money. 100% automatic site monetization as our Udemy affiliate. All you need to do is enter your Udemy affiliate ID. Don't worry if you don't have one. Signing up as an affiliate is free and easy. Then your site is filled with great courses from Udemy all about your chosen niche, complete with previews, info, and sample content. Anytime your visitor purchases a course, you get full credit for the sale. Get more and more Udemy-like courses added to your site each week. edUpay will automatically add new Udemy-like courses to your site each week. And if you want to, there's even an option to add your own courses manually too. Get daily high-quality content for your site on total autopilot. You'll get high-quality content posted to your site for you in a fully automated blog section all about your chosen niche. You'll never have to make a blog post again. All the content created for you will be all about the news from your chosen niche, complete with images, videos, and everything your visitors will love. 100% automated Google ranking for traffic. All the blog section content created for you by the software is spun with our inbuilt spinning engine to be 100% original to Google, so your sites will rank themselves on Google for automatic free search traffic. Grow a list too, fully integrated with all major autoresponders, so you can turn your site visitors into mailing list subscribers. No manual work needed. It's the simplest software to use ever. With edUpay, there is no complicated setup. No need to create an apps, no need to sign up for any other services. It really is as simple as entering your Udemy affiliated and clicking a button. 24/7 100% automation. Once you click the button to set up your site, that's it, you are done. The software will work for you every single day, forever creating content, adding new Udemy courses each week, and getting you search traffic, all on 100% autopilot. edUpay, automated Udemy-like e-learning sites.